The history of the electric guitar traces a series of innovations in instrument design, electronics, and popular music that transformed the guitar from an ensemble rhythm instrument into a dominant solo and lead instrument. Its development began in the early 20th century as musicians sought ways to increase the volume of acoustic guitars so they could be heard in bigger ensembles and noisy venues. Early experiments in amplification appeared in the 1920s and 1930s. Some makers tried placing metal resonators in the body of the guitar, most famously the National String Instrument Corporation in Dobro, while others experimented with pickups that converted string vibrations into electrical signals. The first practical electromagnetic pickups were developed in the 1920s and 1930s by inventors and companies such as George Beauchamp and Adolphe Rickenbacker, who co-founded the Electro String Instrument Corporation. Their frying pan lap steel guitar of the early 1930s is often cited as one of the first commercially successful electric guitars. It featured a horseshoe magnet pickup and was designed for Hawaiian and jazz musicians. In the 1940s and 1950s, electrification accelerated the guitar's role in popular music. Les Paul, a pioneering guitarist and inventor, created early solid-body prototypes to reduce feedback and increase sustain. His experiments inspired instrument makers to explore solid-body designs. In 1950, Fender introduced the Broadcaster, later renamed the Telecaster, one of the first mass-produced solid-body electric guitars. Leo Fender's designs emphasized simplicity, modular electronics, and reliable hardware, which appealed to working musicians. Fender followed the Telecaster with the Stratocaster in 1954, a model that introduced innovations like a contoured body, 3 pickups, and a vibrato bridge, helping to shape the guitar's sound and playing techniques for decades. Around the same time, Gibson responded with its own innovations. In 1952, Gibson launched the hollow-body ES-175 and later the Les Paul model, a collaboration with Les Paul that led to the carved-top solid-body Gibson Les Paul in 1952 and the influential humbucking pickup in 1957. These instruments offered a different tonal palette, warmer and thicker compared to Fender's brighter tone, giving musicians choices suited to jazz, blues, rock, and emerging genres. As the 1950s and 1960s progressed, the electric guitar became central to rock and roll, rhythm and blues, and later rock, soul, and surf music. Players like Chuck Berry, Buddy Holly, B.B. King, and later Jimi Hendrix and Eric Clapton expanded the instrument's expressive possibilities through new playing techniques, effects, and amplification. The development of effects such as distortion, wah-wah, and delay, plus the use of powerful amplifiers, allowed guitarists to craft distinctive sounds and to push the instrument's boundaries. The 1970s onward saw further diversification. Custom shop builders, boutique manufacturers, and mass-market companies produced instruments tailored to different styles, from the thin, fast necks favored by shred guitarists to extended-range guitars for metal. Solid body construction remained dominant, but hollow and semi-hollow designs continued to be used for jazz and blues. Technology advances introduced active pickups, digital modeling, and MIDI-capable guitars, expanding tonal options and integration with electronic music tools. Today, the electric guitar remains a cultural icon and a versatile tool in many musical genres. Its evolution reflects technological innovation and the creativity of musicians, luthiers, and engineers who adapted an acoustic tradition into an electrified form that reshaped 20th and 21st century music.